Guess what? The trip to Mars is actually longer than you might think. NASA's Perseverance rover took about 7 long months to finally reach the red planet. That's roughly 140 million miles, give or take a few thousand, depending on the precise positioning of Earth and Mars in their respective orbital paths. The distance varies significantly because both planets follow elliptical orbits around the Sun, making the journey sometimes longer and more challenging occasionally. Ever wondered why spacecraft don't just fly in a perfectly straight line through space? They need to follow complex, curved trajectories to save precious fuel efficiently. The Hohmann transfer orbit is the most fuel-efficient route to Mars, taking strategic advantage of precise planetary alignments and orbital mechanics carefully. This orbit is like a cosmic highway, where the gravitational pull of both planets helps the spacecraft navigate through complex trajectories slowly and very carefully always. But what about the astronauts on board? They need to stay healthy for the long haul through challenging space missions and zero-gravity environments that affect their bodies. On average, astronauts experience significant muscle loss and bone density changes during prolonged space missions, leading to various health complications and long-term physical challenges. To combat this, astronauts exercise for about 2 hours daily on the ISS regularly, and it's similar for Mars-bound crews who follow a strict exercise regimen daily. Radiation exposure is another significant concern. Mars lacks a strong magnetic field to adequately shield against intense solar flares and cosmic radiation daily. NASA is working diligently on developing better shielding technologies to protect both people and sensitive electronics from harmful radiation exposure. The European Space Agency's ExoMars rover is also on the hunt for signs of life on Mars, meticulously analyzing Martian soil samples and searching for biosignatures. Some scientists believe Mars once had flowing water and a thick atmosphere, but it all changed dramatically over time due to unknown catastrophic events. Today, Mars is a cold, barren landscape with temperatures often dropping below 125 degrees Celsius, creating harsh, frozen environments that are scientifically fascinating. Despite the harsh conditions on Mars, there's still a surprising chance for life, maybe hidden under the surface, where water once flowed freely. A trip to Mars requires careful planning. The window for launch is typically every 26 months, demanding precise calculations and strategic preparation for a successful interplanetary mission. This is because Earth and Mars need to be aligned just right for the Hohmann transfer orbit to work efficiently during their orbital dance slowly. Some private companies are working on faster propulsion systems to cut down travel time significantly through innovative new technologies and materials. Nuclear propulsion is one idea being explored thoroughly. It could potentially shave off several months from the lengthy interplanetary journey ahead. But with great speed comes great complexity. Engineers need to solve many technical challenges promptly and efficiently every single day. Mars's atmosphere is too thin for traditional parachutes to slow down landers effectively, creating a significant challenge for spacecraft landing safely on the Martian surface every time. That's why NASA's Perseverance rover used a combination of advanced parachutes and retropropulsion technology to land safely on Mars's surface terrain. Scientists are still carefully unraveling the complex mysteries of Mars's diverse geology, from ancient riverbeds to enormous volcanoes and vast craters. The Curiosity rover has been instrumental in understanding Mars's past, including its climate history, geological transformations, and potential habitability factors thoroughly. Did you know Mars has the tallest volcano in our solar system? Olympus Mons stands incredibly tall, creating a mesmerizing sight in the red planet's landscape always. It is around 3 times the height of Mount Everest, making it a significant Martian marvel that inspires both awe and scientific curiosity instantly. Despite the numerous challenges, sending humans to Mars is a tantalizing prospect for the next exciting technological decade ahead slowly. Establishing a human settlement on Mars would be a historic milestone for space exploration. The psychological effects of long-duration spaceflight are also being studied carefully to prepare for future complex Mars missions and potential planetary settlements effectively now. So, are you ready to join the exciting Martian adventure now? Share this thrilling experience with a friend who's completely up for the cosmic challenge ahead.